Welcome back to Halloween week on Speakeasy Spirits. Today, I want to make a cocktail using Strega. Now, I don't speak Italian, but I'm told that Strega is Italian for witch, so we're going to use this Strega Liqueur. This is an herbal liqueur sweetened with honey, and it's got a picture of a witch right on the label, so it's perfect for Halloween. Today's cocktail is called Witch and Broomstick. This is a very modern cocktail created in 2002 by Simon Difford of diffordsguide.com. I've never made this before. It's going to be the first time trying it, but it sounds like it's going to be really good. This is going to be an egg white cocktail, so we're going to need a shaker tin and an egg white. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know I like freezing my egg whites. When they're frozen, they'll last up to 12 months. You're not going to get that out of a fresh egg. Along with our egg white, we're going to add half an ounce of lemon juice. Now with my frozen egg whites, once I've got a little bit of liquid in there, I like to crush up the egg white. This is going to make it easier to integrate into the cocktail. Once it's broken up a bit, it's going to dissolve really easily once we shake it. Now we need 1.5 ounces of gin. Simon's original recipe called for a special edition of Monkey 47, which I don't have, so we're going to use some standard Schwarzwald dry Monkey 47. 1.5 ounces. Now, 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. Now, the special edition of Monkey 47 in the original recipe had notes of honey and mint in it, so I'm actually going to go a hair over the 1/2 ounce just to replicate the honey flavors that was in that original gin. And last, the Strega Liqueur. His recipe calls for 1/6 of an ounce. It's not much, but like most herbal liqueurs, this has some pretty strong flavors, so I'm sure it's going to come through in the final recipe. Since it's an egg white cocktail, we are going to dry shake this. That is shaking it without any ice in the tin. You want to give it a good vigorous shake. We're trying to build up the foam from that egg white. Now that we've got some foam, go ahead and add your ice. And shake it again to chill it. We're going to serve this in a coupe glass. Go ahead and strain it in. You're going to notice how white it is due to that foam that we've built up. Now, if it's given a second, you're going to see the foam rise to the top, and we should end up with a yellow cocktail at the bottom with a white layer of foam. If you're vegan or just aren't comfortable with eggs in your cocktail, there are some options like Fee Foam from Fee Brothers. This is a foaming agent, and just a couple of dashes in a cocktail like this will create the same sort of head. The original recipe for a garnish uses 1 mint leaf floating on the top. I don't have any mint right now, so we're just going to go with it as is. Here is the Witch and Broomstick. Even though there's only a small amount of Strega in there, those herbal notes come through first and foremost. The herbs, spices, and the honey are a really nice combination, and the egg white gives it a nice creamy texture. And using a good gin here really helps enhance those floral notes. Even though this is a cocktail from 2022, it really reminds me of a lot of classic cocktails from the 1800s. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.